Hi everybody, thank you for joining me. Today I am here doing the unboxing of my Pioneer Woman cookware set. Oh. I ordered this from Walmart, and so I am excited. The table is squeaking. We're gonna see what's inside. So this is an actual unboxing. Really taking it out of the box. So let's see, y'all. Let's see. The Pioneer Woman. Maybe I should have taken it out of the box. All these little boxes. I haven't had it's been a while since I bought a new cookware set. The whole set. And I like the Pioneer Woman. The design of the Pioneer Woman collection. So I like the way it looks. And I wanted me a Pioneer Woman cookware set. So I ordered it, and we're gonna see what it entails. Welcome to my frontier. Do y'all watch the Pioneer Woman on Food Network? Take these little papers out. These little freshness packs, which I hate. Make sure you throw these away because they're very dangerous. I mean, I like them, they're good, but I hate them because you can't make sure you throw them away. But anyway. So these are measuring bowls. I actually have some of these, not this color. Try to make sure I'm in the good light. This one is 1/4 of a cup, and inside of it is where the measurements are. So this you just you pour your measurements in 1/4 of a cup, and then it's so cute. And then we have 1/3 of a cup. And this is a cup, and this is 1/2 of a cup. These are cute. Separating. Okay, let's see what this is. I think these are measuring spoons. Let's find out. I hope my lighting is good. It looks a little off to me from this. Okay, this is 1/4 of a teaspoon. These are cute. 1 teaspoon. These are really cute. I probably really 1/2 of a teaspoon. I might use them. It all depends. 1 tablespoon. They are ceramic, as you can hear. And is this one broken? It is. Look, y'all, it's already broken. That's what I was gonna say. They're ceramic, and they seem easy to break. It must have chipped. It chipped inside of the packaging. All right. Let's see what's in here. This is heavy. This must be a bowl set. Set of bowls. Very heavy, ceramic, cute. So it's got to be some more bowls on the inside of it. Yeah, okay. And then there's another one in there. And is there another? No. Well, these are 3. These are so cute. Now I would use these, and that must be a little vent top. You're heating something up with the lid on. These are so cute. I really definitely will be using these. As useful as it is gorgeous. Dishwasher and microwave safe. Yeah, put it in the refrigerator, put your little, whatever you're storing in there, and then you can heat it up into a little vent. I like that. I do. So, I don't want to break it. Get some coffee. Washing these up and using those. And this is the pot lid. I remember my first set of pots, y'all. I was a teenager. My husband, who was my boyfriend at the time, we were renting a house from this lady. It was a fully furnished house. It was furnished. It had like one bedroom, living room, bedroom, and the dining room, kitchen, and the bathroom. And so I was like 18, and we rented this house, and I think it was like $170 a month. And I wasn't working. My boyfriend, who is my husband now, is my boyfriend then, he was working at Hardee's. And we went in this house, and it already had furniture, which the bed, everything, y'all. Yeah, I know. But anyway, we went in there, and she was like, the lady, she was like, well, I have this house, but it's not ready. I gotta clean it out. And so we was like, we'll do it. You know, we were ready to move in together. We'll do it. And so we went to the house and we painted. We bought paint. We painted it. We cleaned it out. Oh, it was disgusting. But anyway, inside of the refrigerator, there was a pot set. The person who moved out, and yeah, that's why it was so disgusting, because the person just, I don't know if she kicked them out or they left and just didn't clean up because it was a little old lady. But anyway, she was a little old lady, and she was a hairdresser. So, but anyway, inside of the refrigerator, there was a pot set. It was like a stainless steel pot set. It was disgusting. It had old food in it. You know, the lights were off, so it was just so nasty. But I took that, my husband and I, took the pot set, emptied out all that old food, washed them out, cleaned that pot set up, and they left. It was like a really nice pot set though. Anyway, and kept it for years. Literally, I literally had it. I know I had it when Jemiah was born. Well, not the whole set, but pieces to it, because I didn't like only have that one, you know. But anyway, I know I still had pieces to that set. When Jemiah, she's 13, so I think Josiah too. I think the last, now if I'm not mistaken, I might still have one piece to it. But the last one that I remember messing up was when Josiah was little. She was like probably 2, and she was doing this. Might be, well, it's funny to us. She was doing a Sweet Brown impersonation, and we were all in the kitchen, and everybody was laughing. It was when we first heard of her, and she was so little. And anyway, the pot caught on fire, and it warped. And that was one of the pots, and that was if I don't have one left, I know that one was the one. I know the one that I knew was from that set messed up then. Yep. I'm still pretty sure I still got one that go with it though. But anyhow, but yeah, so that was even when Josiah's 10, so that was probably when she was 8. That was probably about 8 years ago, because she probably was about 2. So that pot set lasted me, my goodness, what, 20, 30 years? A long time. Probably about 20 years, or some pots from the set. But anyway, yeah, that was my first pot set. So back to this unboxing. This is what the how many quarts is this? It doesn't say. Do not boil dry. Medium heat, no metal tools. I don't know. I think it's like a 5 quart. They usually are, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, and that it's like a speckled blue. Very nice. And I'm gonna run out of them. I hate my little ceramic measuring spoon. It's already chipped. Of course, I can't use it now, but anyway. It's the little saucepan. I think these are usually a quart size. This is non-stick, so this will be my first. I do have some non-stick pots, no pans. I have a couple of, but I don't. My whole pot set that I have is stainless steel. But anyway, this is non-stick and it has a little vent on it. My Aunt Hazel, who was really old, like in her 80s when she passed away. She was actually my great aunt, and she did not like the pots with the little hole in it right there, because when you cook your rice, she told me it was not good. She didn't like it. When I was young, in my 20s, my mama passed when I was like 23. Anyway, I can remember cooking, and that was her favorite aunt, and she was like my mama's second mama, because my grandma actually passed when my mama was young too. But anyway, so I take my Aunt Hazel, I took her shopping, and she was telling me, we were talking about the pots, and she was like, I don't like the little hole, and she was telling me, you know, that's not good for rice. But anyway, this is the frying pan. Another thing my Aunt Hazel told me was beef consomme. She said, make your rice with beef consomme, and it'll make good beef flavored rice. These are all throughout here. Make sure you throw these away. Got babies in the house, or little kids. But you know, I call them my babies. I really only got one baby, and he's 5, but I call all of them my babies. Even my baby, my big daughter, I call her my baby, and all of her babies my babies. And then I also call them my children. But anyway, this will be our good rice pot size. This is a normal, that size. I don't normally do the non-stick. I stopped doing non-stick a good while ago, but this is, with the exception of the couple of frying pans, which I did recently by them. My main non-stick is my cast iron pot. Y'all know cast iron non-stick? Yeah, but it doesn't have that non-stick coating. It's just naturally non-stick. So these are some spatulas. This is a good thick. Look how thick that spatula is. This is nice. And this is another one. This one, excuse me, looks more like a cooking, and this one looks more like a stirring. I think something else is down here. Is there something? No. That's it, y'all. I thought there was another pot, like a cast iron kind of pot. Oh, well, there's something down here. Yeah. I know y'all can't see nothing good. Oh, I imagined it being bigger than this. But here it is. Y'all, I have a cast iron frying pan that my mother-in-law gave me. But anyway, this is very pretty. Looks like it'll cook some good cornbread in it. It's not that big, but you know, it has the Pioneer Woman on the outside of it. Telling you use and care instructions. And this is it. I'm not would use this for cornbread. If I were to use this, I probably wouldn't use it very much. I guess if I were to use it, it'd be for if just my husband and I are here, because the inside is, or for cornbread, something like that. Yeah, I know I have 2 children, but I have the 3 grands. So I say I got a big family. And I cook up some food. A lot of times when I cook for everybody. We got a big mess coming up. Trying to set it up so that y'all can see before I go. Hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing / story time. Got a little bit of story time. And now in that house that we lived in when we was 18, y'all. We did not stay there that long. And the lady, she didn't give us a discount for cleaning up that mess. No. And then when we got ready to move out, she didn't give us our deposit back. Cause we was so young, I think people take, so I think she took advantage of us. You know what she told my husband? I guess he was my boyfriend at the time. When he asked her about the money, she said, let's just call it even. Even? Why is it even, lady? You took our money. Who is it even for? But that's what she said. Anyway, she was a nice lady still. So, this is it, y'all. Can't see it really well, but I will take a picture. Let me see. Oh yeah. Okay, and then I'll take a picture for my thumbnail. All right, thank you so much for joining me, y'all. Have a blessed and beautiful day, and don't forget to spread love all around. Thank you for joining me for this unboxing of my Pioneer Woman pot set. Bye.